In addition to, or instead of using get and set methods, you can also create what are called property methods. Property methods, or just properties, allow you to use assignment rather than argument passing as the means of setting individual parts of a class object. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If we want to create a property for the first name, we started off by writing public string first. Again, because we are going to return values for part of it. Then, in the body of the property, we create a get part, like so, and a set part, like so. Notice that for the right-hand side of the assignment statement, we use the keyword value. Now that will come into play when we actually set the value. I'm going to show you how that works right here. I'll erase it and put it back in. So I write my name dot first equals John, and that's calling the set part. So John is the value. That's what this keyword value stands for. And it has to be a string. That's because we set string as the return type for the property, and it will also bind that data type to the value keyword. So for example, if I try to set first to a number, I get an error. Cannot implicitly convert type int to string because it's expecting a string at this point. I can also return values using the property method. So right here where I had my name dot get first, I can now write first, like so. Let's compile this program and see if it works. So it works just the same as it did before, but now we're using a little bit different syntax to get and set a data member in the class. You're not required to use properties in C#, but most C# programmers do use properties either instead of or in addition to get and set methods. Get and set methods come from other object-oriented programming languages such as Java, and properties are more commonly found in the .NET languages such as C# and Visual Basic. I won't implement the properties for the other data members here. We're going to do that in one of the exercises. And so now we're ready to move to the next lesson where we talk about some utility methods that we can use with a name class.